Hi, good day, Miss M6746. Please introduce yourself.
Good day, my future employer. My name is Gladys Grace Villonen, 29 years old, single, but I have a partner and we don't have kids. I am Roman Catholic and high school graduate. My work experience in Saudi Arabia is from June 2023 to December 2025. Uh, I work in family of 7, 2 adults and 5 children, ages 14, 12, 10, and 4, and a newborn baby boy, 1 to 5 months. My my duty include cleaning, laundry, ironing, wash dishes, and take care their kids.
Okay, so you have experience for almost 2 years and 6 months in Saudi Arabia, right?
Yes.
And you have experience taking care of a newborn baby.
Yes.
So you know how to take care and to prepare a food for a baby, right?
Yes.
Okay, if the baby is crying, what will you do?
Check the diaper, maybe it's full, and check the temperature, and feed him, maybe it's hungry.
Okay, and if the baby won't stop to cry, what will you do?
I will call the parent and tell them what's happening to their kids.
Okay, do you have any relatives in Hong Kong?
I don't have.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
I want to work in Hong Kong because it's the one of the safest country, and maybe the salary there can provide my family needs here in the Philippines.
And how long do you want to work in Hong Kong?
2 years and more. It depends of the employers.
Okay. Do you have any idea how to prepare Chinese food?
I don't have any idea, but I'm willing to learn how to cook their food by watching YouTube and see the book.
Okay. If your employer prepare food, it is okay to you to eat the food that they provide?
Yes.
It is okay to you to share job with other helper?
Yes.
How about sharing room with a baby?
Yes.
It is okay to you to work on Sunday or in a holiday setup?
Yes.
It is okay to you to cut your hair to short?
Yes.
How about color it into black?
Yes.
It is okay to you to learn their language?
Yes.
It is okay to you to taking care of elderly and pets?
Yes.
Okay. My last question is, what will be your message for your future employer?
Hello, dear future employer. Please hire me, and I promise that I will do my responsibility to take care of your house, take care of your kids, and I will take care of your kids and loving as my family.
Okay. Thank you so much, Miss Gladys.
Thank you so much, sir.
Okay.